all, welcome back to my channel Sweet Salt Spicy. Today the recipe is Pav Bhaji Masala. It's a very nice recipe and tasty recipe. Let's get into the ingredients. What we require for that are: have taken around 3 medium-sized potato and have boiled and grated, and have taken around 3 carrots and have grated. Have taken 1 capsicum and finely chopped. Have taken around 2 to 3 florets, big florets of cauliflower and grated. Some frozen peas, pav bhaji masala, amchur masala, oil, coriander, ginger garlic paste, chilies, tomato, onions and salt as per the requirement. First we'll heat a pan and add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to it. Firstly, we'll add capsicums finely chopped. Later, you can even chop the carrots finely. I have grated here. So we'll add all the veggies except the boiled potatoes. First, we'll fry all these veggies until the moist escapes from this. Later on, we can add the boiled potato. As you can see, all the veggies have been fried well. I've added ginger garlic paste and I'm mixing it. Close the lid and allow this to cook for around 2 to 3 seconds until the raw smell of the ginger garlic goes off. Later on, you can add salt as per the requirement. I have added around 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt over here. Later on, I have added around 3 finely chopped tomatoes. Here your tomatoes have to be very ripened so that you get a very rich and creamy gravy. After that, I've added around half cup of water to it. So all these veggies have to get boiled and cooked properly. I'm adding around 3 teaspoons of pav bhaji masala and 1.5 teaspoon of amchur masala and around 1 tablespoon of homemade chili powder. And mix it and allow this to cook for around 2 minutes. You can just see it's been cooked well. Later on, I've added around a big cube of butter to it, which gives a creamy texture and as well as adds taste to the gravy. Once the butter melts, you have to keep smashing the veggies. Have just made the flame to low and I'm smashing it, and meanwhile I'm allowing it to cook as well. I've used frozen peas over here. You can use even the dried peas. Before adding to the dish, you have to boil that. Later on, I've added around 3 boiled grated potatoes over here and mix it through the smasher. So you can just see the gravy is too thick. You can add water according to the consistency how you require. You can add many more veggies here too, like bottle gourd, and here I have heated a small pan or kadai and I have added around 2 tablespoons of oil to it, and I'm adding finely chopped 2 big onions to it and I'm frying. And allow this to cook. It has to be cooked very soft and it has to turn translucent, and we have to add the onions to the gravy. And Give a good mix. Close the lid and allow this to cook for around 2 to 3 seconds. Meanwhile, we can just add butter to a pan and add a small pinch of pav bhaji masala and coriander leaves and add the pav to the pan. Above the butter, you can just rub the pav and you can even add butter on the pav. You have to use butter generously over here, which gives a good taste to the dish. Later on, you can serve with finely chopped onions, lime and save to your near and dear ones. If you like this recipe, kindly hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. See you then in the next video. Thank you. Bye.